Looking for the perfect fishing setup? In today's video, we're diving into the best fishing rod and reel combos reviewed to help you make the right choice. We upload quality videos daily to bring you the best product insights, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Number 1. KastKing Sentin Spinning Combos. There are hundreds of spinning combos available nowadays, but there was no question for us which one would be our top pick for the best spinning rod and reel combo. It has to be the KastKing Sentin. This model has a professional and sporty look with a black and electric blue design. The 6-foot rod is made of IM6 graphite, just like our top pick, so we already know it's strong yet light in weight. There are 7+1 stainless steel O-ring guides along the blank that perform perfectly with both mono or braided lines. Finish it with a contoured split grip and EVA handles, and you've got yourself a well-designed and thought-out rod. Connect the reel onto the twisted lock reel seat, and you're good to go. For the 6-foot rod, KastKing pairs it with a 2000 reel size. Some of its features include a CNC machined aluminum spool, a 5.2 to 1 gear ratio, and a line capacity of 8 to 14 pounds, making this combo very versatile to catch fish like crappie, bluegill, panfish, trout, smallmouth bass, and walleye. Number 2. WallE Standard Fly Fishing Combo. The next on our list is the best for panfish. It's the WallE Complete Fly Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. Just like the Orvis Fly Kit listed above, this comes with a whole set of flies and accessories so you can catch trout, panfish, and small bass in small to medium streams and ponds of all sizes. You'll receive a 32-inch hard tube case that's composed of black nylon. It also has a reel pouch and side storage pouches, so you can fit all of the equipment in a shoulder-strapped bag. The 9-foot rod in this set is lightweight yet sturdy as it's built with IM8 graphite. It weighs 4.4 ounces altogether and is slow in action, making it easy for even a beginner to cast. The super high-quality 7-inch compressed cork grip keeps the rod light in weight, and we found it very easy to hold for numerous hours. The reel seat is constructed of titanium and has a machine sliding hood to keep the reel firmly in place. Number 3. Plasino Fishing Rod and Reel Combos. Plasino has created a rod and reel combo that's designed to be compact and portable. It's a perfect choice for anglers on a budget or looking for the best fishing rod and reel combo for the money. From freshwater to saltwater, this combo is suitable for all water conditions, and it's telescopic, so you can retract the rod, making it travel-friendly too. No matter the size you choose, you'll receive a rod that's composed of high-density carbon fiber that's mixed with fiberglass. This composition gives you a hard and durable rod with just the right amount of elasticity when you need it most. The reel seat is hooded and created with stainless steel, allowing it to be anti-seawater corrosive. You'll also find an EVA split grip handle on this telescopic rod. It's not the most comfortable, but it is good against wear and tear. The reel is what we loved as it's high quality and easy to set up. You'll get good instant anti-reverse settings and power drive gears with this Plasino reel. Number 4. WallE Marshall Speed Shooter. The last combo on our list is the WallE Marshall Speed Shooter. We have tried and tested this combo for trout fishing, and we must say, it did impress us thoroughly. It's created and inspired by Mr. Crappie himself, WallE Marshall. This series features rods in all different actions and lengths, but we believe the 6-foot model is the best for trout. This Pro Series rod by WallE Fishing features a premium IM6 graphite blank with weight, sensitivity, and performance in mind. Its guides and inserts are constructed of stainless steel for reliable use with all lines, including monofilament and braided lines. The handle is constructed of premium cork with Duracork accents, so not only is it practical, but it looks snazzy too. This combo's color option is an electric blue and green, giving it a very sporty look. It may not be the best design for anglers who prefer a traditional fishing set. Number 5. KastKing Crixus Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. The first rod and reel combo, and our top pick, is by the well-known brand KastKing. The company's mission statement has always been keeping fishing fun, and with the creation of the Crixus rod and reel, they haven't let anglers down. The The rod and reel in this combo are full of innovative features, yet it remains incredibly affordable. We'll start with the rod. The blank is constructed with powerful and sensitive IM6 graphite, and it's 6 feet 6 inches in length. The power rating is medium-heavy, so it has a nice balance of power without losing its sensitivity. All down the blank, you'll find high-quality stainless steel guides with zirconium oxide rings. Anglers won't find the handle accompanying this rod uncomfortable. KastKing uses golf-style superpolymer handles with each model within the series. These handles are comfortable, durable, and exceptionally slip-resistant, giving you maximum grip over your fishing rod, even in the wettest conditions.